what's happening? Let's make a pizza. This pizza is made out of chickpeas, not dough. What do chickpeas look like? Barbecue sauce. You gotta try this extravagant pizza. It's gonna be bomb. Clack, 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 clack. The reason why it's extravagant, look at that truffle. You see this truffle? That's expensivito. So it's Alfredo sauce with some truffle under. Muy umami. Ay, papi. Mix it around town, baby. Or like a DJ. Mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Ooh, sprinkle, sprinkle, mother trucker. Turkey pepperoni. Smack it. Should we put pineapples in pizza? I'm only gonna put half the side because I'm neutral like that. Time to put it in the oven. 9 to 13 minutes. Woo! Timer is up and ring-a-ding-a-lingin'. So perfect. Oh, I thought I saw a fly. I was like, more protein. Ooh. Baby! Baby! You wanna try my pizza with me?
I was trying to put batteries in this.
Why's your face like that?
I'm trying to figure out what this tastes like. Tastes good. It tastes like a very unique pizza.
Do you think pineapple goes with pizza?
Nope. I don't hate it, but I don't think it goes on.
I think it do.